So in the previous video you have already seen, I have explained the reasons why droughts are caused and what are the effects. Mainly it is the shortage of water, and from above, that is through the atmosphere, as well as the underground water. The water table goes down to a very low level where the people are not able to take it out. It's very difficult for them even to collect water for drinking or any other purposes. And in some places, if water is available or seen, that turns brackish because of excessive heat. Therefore, the whole area comes under a condition of drought. In Maharashtra, it was mainly because of water scarcity due to deficient rainfall from the southwest monsoon, and because of global warming, which had created very hot and dry conditions during the summer season. And the effect was that the whole area was affected by the strong heat waves, and these heat waves went on drying up the water surfaces in the country as well as the other drought concerned area. So looking into the problems of the drought, some drought solutions has been implemented or introduced by the government, because the drought in India has started taking a shape of a disaster which affects the lives and the economy of most of the people of the drought affected area, and many areas are also getting affected by the droughts. And the reason, which we have discussed in the previous video. Other than that, some methods are desalination of water, that is the water when it is brackish, then it can be converted into a pure form, and so that it can be used for some domestic use, for washing or cleaning, not for drinking as such, but then to some extent the water can be utilized. Then the rainwater harvesting, which means the collection of rainwater. Drip irrigation is a method of providing water to the roots of the plants directly through the pipes, which has holes at regular intervals, and the water drips out from these holes only and gives water to the roots directly. Then the next one is harvesting water from the air, that is the water vapor which is present in the air. So some kind of artificial condensation is done, or uh, artificial cooling of the air is brought down to the below the dew point, so that condensation takes place and that water vapor is converted into water, and water is supplied to the dry areas. Then the crop engineering, meaning the kind of crops which can be grown in certain kind of soil. So the study of soil is done. Then the study of the crops also is done, which can be grown in a particular area, so that the quality and quantity both of the crop increases with the little use of water, or minimize the use of water in that particular area, and various kinds of irrigational methods to be used. Solar pumps here is not directly connected with the droughts, but instead of electric or diesel pumps, the solar pumps are used. That means the pumps which work on the taking help of the solar light. So they depend on the solar light, so energy is derived from the sunlight. Then recycling organic waste. Organic waste here means that the organic fertilizers which can be recycled and used in particular area, so that the use of water can be minimized.